Alright, what's up guys? So I know it's been a while since we've done any like type of car mods for the BRZ, so I actually have 3 parts came in from Amazon today. I know what I ordered, I just don't know what is in what package, so I guess we'll open, actually you know what, we'll save the brown one for last. So let's see what this one is first. Actually, I probably don't even need to, I don't even know why I got my pocket knife out. These are like the vent trim pieces, like on the top of like the dash, where like the top dash speakers are. So they're just carbon fiber like overlays for that. Second one. Oh yes, this is some Gorilla Tape I ordered for, you know, my carbon fiber like side, like the window louvers. I have white 3M tape on there right now, but it's kind of starting to fade a little bit, and it kind of looks like a little bit weird if it's like white on black and stuff. So I'm gonna put some black tape on there. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that one today, but I'm gonna do it probably tomorrow when I have more time and stuff. And then oh yeah, so these are my these are like on the inside of like the dash piece, like where like the audio and like climate control knobs are. These are carbon fiber. They're silver on there right now, so these are just carbon fiber covers. So that's pretty sick. And then the last one. Oh my god, I almost just cut my. I literally just cut the rope. That's embarrassing. And then this is for the audio. So this is like where the push button start is, and then this is like where my I think it's like where the little like kind of cubby hole is, where I guess it's maybe for change and stuff, but I just put my key fob in there, and then this is like where the audio and like the USB jack goes. Alright, well now we got these unboxing, let's go. Alright, so first things first, before I unbox these technically, or before I open these up and spray, I'm just gonna use some of my interior detail, spray out the dash to get rid of any dust, because I think dust is honestly my biggest pet peeve I have in my car. Alright, now that we got that, and if you're also wondering, so yeah, I use this it's this chemical, guys, interior detail cleaner, and then my other stuff that I use is literally just all Maguire stuff, straight out of Canadian Tire. Okay, so now we'll start with these ones. I'll put the tweeter ones on first. I hate trying to get this shit open, because like, if you don't have nails and stuff, this thing is, so yeah, they're literally just carbon fiber pieces like this, with 3M tape on the back, so it's literally just a matter of like placing it on. And honestly, that's such a satisfying feeling when you peel it all off. Pretty good compared to like stock with just a black piece like this. I know you're not really looking at it, but it kind of adds to the car. I'll do the side trim pieces first. Man, they do not make this shit easy to open. And it's crazy to think, literally like a week ago we had snow. I have a clip if you're right, but it wasn't as a lot. It was a lot more in the morning, because I took that video in the afternoon, but it was still like crazy that we actually got snow at the end of April, which is like insane to think, because maybe it was Mother Nature getting back at us for us basically having it easy all of March. Alright, so I think that looks way better with these on. I know it's maybe hard to tell in the light and stuff, but it definitely makes a huge difference in the car. Alright, and now the last piece, I gotta do this quick because my camera battery is literally about to die, so Alright, well I got it on there. I tried to get the best to stick as I could, but this kind of part here, like on the side here, was kind of like, it didn't want to stick the greatest, because obviously there's like less 3M tape on that side, but did the best I could. If I notice it gets like a little more worse, I might just try to take it off again without it like snapping, because I know carbon fiber is super delicate. And I might try to cut like a little 3M tape just to see if I can make it stick better with the ones I got in from Amazon. But anyways, That's gonna do it for this quick little install, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this line is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and zoom, zoom, I'm racing. Popping pills in that lobby, and I pray they don't find her naked. And I pray you niggas is hating. Shooters go after Judas. Jesus Christ, if I live life on my knees, ain't no need to do this.